Here we come to the elevator at the Green Garage at Scottsdale Fashion Square Mall in Scottsdale, Arizona. This was just modernized by Arizona Elevator Solutions. And this is elevator number 9. This is a brand new mod.
You can go to the lower level link.
It's gonna be locked, but yeah. Yeah, it's glitchy. It's here. We're on it. It's here, I think. And it's going. It just didn't open up. Weird. It's not even here. The button would go out if it was. Here it is. It's gonna be here on this, and just if it's on 1. Here it comes. Here it is. Now we got it here. This is the lowest you can go, guys.
Street level.
Used to be a Dover.
I thought you put 3 though.
Yeah, but they're calling it to go down first.
Oh yeah.
You're on LL. It's a little busy. It's a fresh mod. This thing was just recently modernized.
It's so hot.
I know. They're stuck in that. There.
Are you hot, Amarani? Do you feel hot?
Nope. All the cold air's hanging out. Here we go. There.
Come on.
You're on 4. Button doesn't go out until the door is completely open. On to LL. Innovation Bruiser Fixtures. Capacity is 3,500 pounds. Used to be a Dover. Modernized by Arizona Elevator Solutions. Cab was redone, I believe, as well. And we're stopping on 2. This thing is busy. Going down? What floor?
1.
This is pretty cool. This was just modernized. Security camera there in the car panel.
Thank you.
Button does not go out until the door is completely open for some reason. Got the red flashing door sensors. Cool. It's your emergency telephone screen. This is a newer elevator. This is a newer mod, I should say. We'll ring the bell.
We were at the street,
So we'll end it up on the street. We'll end it on the street. This thing is busy. Here on the street, and watch this. The button does not go out until the door is completely open. Yep, got the green light there. It's gonna turn red. Watch this, guys. Watch this. Flashing red, and there it goes. And that's gonna be it. This thing is super busy.